Ya, di siang hari ini saya kembali mengunjungi booth-booth yang mengikuti FHI 2025. So, saya mampir ke booth dari Zoneway Food Supply Chains. Dan bersama saya sudah hadir representatif dari Zoneway Food Global Chains. Hi. Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, David.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Bo Han. I'm the trade manager of Zoneway Food. Our company is mainly to provide high-quality products abroad to internationally.
International.
And we handle everything from production, from importing, from exporting, even marketing. We handle everything aspect from this supply chains. And we also have like around 10,000 liquid stores in our distribution channels.
Okay, so this company is original from China.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so coming to Indonesia.
Yes,
Okay.
we have been in this industry for over 30 years. So we have over 30 years of experience. So right now we are bringing the brand of Zoneway into Indonesia market. So we hope to give our Indonesia clients a good quality, a better pricing products.
So this company also concerned about the halal, right?
Yes, of course.
Could you
Yeah.
please to explain about your concern about the halal?
Yes, because I know halal is really important for our Indonesian clients. So all of our factories is trying to study, is trying to apply for the halal applications. So we want to give the best product the Indonesia markets Indonesia clients want.
Okay, so there is a most favorite product that you want to mention in this
Yeah.
interview?
Yes, of course. We have our cream. We have like our high-end cream produced in China, and we have like 3 type of cream. They are from purely dairy and into the mix of vegetable fat and dairy fat. So to cover every requirement of our customers.
Okay, this is my last question.
Yes.
What is your impression about this expo?
Actually, I had a really good time in this exhibition. Everyone is so nice. Everyone is so professional, and I think I have really good experience in this time. Yeah.
Okay, there's anything you want to add about your company?
About my company?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm glad to be here. Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, Paul.
Thank you.
Success and stay healthy.
Thank you.
Itu dia tadi obrolan saya dengan Paul, dan company-nya sangat concern tentang halal, makanya di belakang kami sedang dilangsungkan workshop tentang sertifikasi halal. So jangan lupa untuk kunjungi booth dari Zoneway Food Supply Chains. Sampai jumpa di interview berikutnya. Bye-bye.
Bye.